Igbo ndị na-ege ndị banyị na-ege m ntị kenekwa m n'ụbọchị nke tata biko na enwere okwu dị oke mkpa iji wee bịa n'isi okwu a n'ụbọchị nke tata. Unu chetara this Rev Sister nwechi happy birthday the other day. Rev Sister Gina King. Onye ọbụla ma na mgbe m bido post that Rev Sister gwa m na this is one of the few Rev Sisters I respect so much and many people respect, because number one, the way she carries herself, the way she carries her convocation, the way we see her no long way is one thing to emulate. What I go on women I go na and I feel no young but only one of the few Rev Sisters na no long her. Another John and mother cho. Now, few days ago, I posted a picture of her birthday, na picture na so nko ye trouser. Ndị mmadụ wekpoli anọ wee talikọba. Si asị Rev Sister ni keki isi na trouser emi na claim na maka emi na claim na ogwa kadecha holy kedi including many Catholic, many Reverend fathers and people they attacked her. Ana abali amba na akpoli ya yi, which I see nothing wrong in it. That trouser hoyi also kokowa na that trouser bukwa na ihe ndị nurse na-eyi. No na si department of medical department of ndị nurse na-eyi this type of thing. Na ihe abụ gịnị ha career clothes, ihe abụ ịnọrọ na your battlefield, ihe abụ ikwesị. So ị na-achị gwa m na atụ na as a Reverend Sister na ebolo doctor and you were called to do operation no on anything n'ikwesịghị iyi eji ekpuchi onwe gị. Ọ na-adị na mma the rate ndị ba isi attack ndị mmadụ, especially ndị anụnwa na ha eji ụka pụtakpụrụ ihe ndị ụka n'ọnụ, is getting alarming. Few days ago again ka one guy onye Yoruba they create your account with Nnamdi gịnị nwanụ ka ọ na-aza gịnị nwanụ Nnamdi ọ leta ka ndị mmadụ mana ọ bụ onye Yoruba. Gịnị ka o ji eme? O ji a contradict ihe ọbụla ndị Igbo na-eme na social media. But because if you got from mother, you better do comment anyhow. Especially the Biafra agitation this thing, he's talked down on it, talk about it, talk against it. If you know Igbo na kale, mama no onye Yoruba dey hang got exposed to a few days ago. Now, this Rev Sister, now she have come out to explain her own part of the story. Again, the sister there. Awesome. Dear friends, I would like to address something that many people observed and commented on regarding my birthday picture, especially about me wearing trousers. The outfit I wore is called a medical scrub, and it is the standard uniform required for healthcare practitioners. So which means na obu nurse on a no. So because now a lot of people na more than some of the Reverend Sisters na lolo. That is why if you learn Reverend Sisters, that is why most times in my video I always advocate for their care. Most of them allow those things voluntarily. And allow voluntary. Ijebe like us that grew up in the north. Ijebe may hear like a crisis. All those villages same with crisis. When it is time to administer hospital medical attention to them, then actually I got the Reverend Sisters, and they do it voluntarily. They do that. Because now most of them were nurse, doctor, I'm not into one of two, medical field. But I go also na that thing medical scrub. Now no required, so it has been required of them to be wearing it because now all the medical practitioners in kwesili. So that is what you can wear with the doctor chinaka to show people that no doctor or no nurse, no medical practitioner. Always say, as a consecrated person, my consecration does not stop me from carrying out my duty as a healthcare worker. Wearing a scrub is not fashion. It is part of my professional attire for hygiene, safety, and proper medical services. In other words, can number one, no for fashion, the image show off, and number two, no with their personal professional attire, no their professional attire. Then always when the thing before getting hygiene. When they not be hygienic, when they not be hygienist, when they not only so where they based on how we work the ocha. then ọzọkwa for safety. Go or require ebe ya gasị nwe ike, ebe ya agbanwe ọsọ, ebe ya alinwu step ịmago gasị ike, so that you would as a human being ka ịdịkwa safe, and also proper medical services. In other words, na onwe kwunkwo yesi na ana, onwe kwunkwo yesi dosa nwe okwu, onwe kwunkwo yesi obulu nke ya lekwasa mmadụ n'inu administer CPR, she can gladly do it wholeheartedly. Maro mi ha na akpolo this Reverend Sister, kedu ihe o mele unu, kedu na ihe o, especially ndị ana gara akwụkwọ. Then always in the hospital, we are required to dress in a way that allows for free movement, proper coverage, comfort, safety when attending to patients. In Anuya, that is exactly those things Mel explain. Also, can go say in hospital we are required. So, medical practitioners in a hospital, they are required to dress in a certain professional way. So that dress in a home is also that place we get nose marks. Because what dress you on only the nose marks and hand glove. Then always as sisters, we serve God in different capacities. Some do, some through teaching, some through administration, some through charity work, and some through healthcare services. Always can go say as a Reverend Sister Bunenwalenda Oloku ka we fee chukwu with onyinye nke chukwu nyela ha. In other words, some nwere onyinye nkuzi ha gole ya na akwụkwọ, nwekwa dị onyinye onye nwe dị onyinye wee gụọ ya na akwụkwọ. That is when gịnị ihe na-eme wee dịlị gị easy. Some nwere onyinye gịnị ime ọrụ charity based on inyere obodo aka. Some nwekwa through health care, just like nke onye must say, my calling is not movement, is through health care, and my uniform helps me fulfill that responsibility responsibly. In other words, Nimena responsibility, she needs to dress responsibly. She needs to do it responsibly. If you may go this sister no na so you born omogo ona acho na achi people to busy. She has been calm minding her business. Then always say, in any case, as a circular, the institute I belong, I am expected to dress modesty and responsible, just like any sane human being could do. So never hanone expect ya most especially can dress of ma just like anybody mali here. Kwesili siwe me. Always say, please let us focus on the heart of service rather than external attire. God bless you all for your understanding. Ya kunu my sister. Owena emegin owena agabiga into so many things. This time some things uni agwa agwa mad. Ode ona mana such thing with especially the ones na uno say attack ya this Reverend Sister odero manaro. I am not happy about it, especially me being one of our fan. I am not happy about it. You will not join a question or you make your research. That is why internet is where. That is why you use phone. In one phone, you will also phone covers us on. No, it's not unacceptable. It's totally unacceptable. It's totally unacceptable. So because you get this video, kabana reshi ya kanda na mara kwano we mwanike we malo kodi kwano mboza. Bye.